'Tis the season for celebration and goodwill, but it can also be a time when families reflect on their financial health. A new survey provides a surprising and insightful look at how healthcare costs can impact the holidays for many American families. Here with the details is Senior Vice President with AFLAC and licensed mental health counselor Diana Steinhoff. Diana, welcome. I've already sort of alluded to this. What is the top issue revealed by the survey this year?
Thank you, George. Thank you for having us. So the AFLAC Holiday Survey revealed that most Americans are doing a tremendous sacrifice during the holiday season. Inflation is high, costs are higher, and they're having a hard time making ends meet. So the number one issue really is financial stress, which is impacting the physical and the mental health of Americans. They're also faced with cutting expenses and increasing debt during the holiday season, which increases that stress level.
It sounds grim. So what does the survey say about how we're all coping this year?
So everybody wants to make the holidays very special, but the data shows that 3/4 of Americans are going to be cutting on holiday gifts, on expenses, even on travel, and increasing credit card debt. So they're leaning more on credit cards, which is actually impacting the credit card debt that we have in the country. We haven't seen something like this in 20 years.
So how are these issues impacting quality time with loved ones during the holidays?
Sure. So our respondents indicate that their number one wish is to spend time with their families during the holidays. However, they're going to be working more than ever. They're going to be taking additional time shifts and maybe even getting an additional job to make ends meet, which contributes to the burnout.
Well, you're also a health counselor, so what advice do you have for people to better balance the work and life around the holidays?
Sure. So when I was treating patients, I would always give them 3 homework assignments to work on. First one is really take care of yourself, get your health screenings, make sure you're exercising, eating a healthy, balanced diet, and sleeping 6 to 7 hours a day. That's important to decompress. The second is really taking that time off to just be present. I always recommend a digital detox day. So stay away from social media, from devices, so that you don't have that stimulation coming your way that we get from the buzz of the day. And then the third is really focus on that financial health, making sure that you have coverages to support you through an illness or an injury. Maybe some supplemental health insurance like we have here at AFLAC. We just went through COVID, and we know that healthcare costs are rising, and so just adding those that to your portfolio is extremely important.
Good information from Diana Steinhoff with AFLAC. Diana, thanks for joining us today.